break-even point. The break-even point for any bear-put spread at expiration can be calculated in advance. Below $48, you could expect a profit. And above 48, you can expect to see at least a partial loss, assuming that all options are worth their intrinsic values as they expire. A bear put spread is considered a moderately bearish strategy because your downside profit potential is limited. The theoretical maximum profit for any bear put spread at expiration can be calculated in advance as the difference between strikes, which is the spread's maximum value, minus the debit originally paid. You may see this profit under one of two circumstances. The spread can be sold for its maximum value, or two, both puts are in the money, assignment is made on the short put, and you exercise the long put. The maximum loss for any bear put spread is limited to the debit paid for the spread, no matter how high the underlying stock increases in price. This will occur at expiration if the underlying stock closes above the higher strike price, with both the long and the short options expiring out of the money and with no value. If the spread becomes far out of the money before expiration, it's possible for it to lose all market value, but also possible for the underlying stock to reverse course and regain some value. So how do you profit from a bear put spread? First of all, since you bought the spread in the first place, if you close out or sell the spread before it expires for more than you paid for it, your profit will be the difference between those amounts. Say XYZ stock has decreased in price and you find these prices in the marketplace. XYZ June 50 put at $9. XYZ June 45 put at $5.25. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.